Plants are supposed to be prey, not predators. But some plants decided the rules didn't apply to them. They evolved traps, digestive acid, sticky death chambers. They hunt insects, spiders, frogs, and sometimes things much larger. These aren't science fiction. They are growing right now on every continent except Antarctica. Tonight, we count down the 10 most extraordinary carnivorous plant you need to see. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 10, sundew. It looks like it's covered in morning dew. It isn't. The sundew Drosera is covered in hundreds of glistening red tentacles tipped with sticky mucilage. An insect lands, expecting water, and finds a death grip. The tentacles curl inward slowly, wrapping the prey completely. Digestion begins while the victim is still alive. Over 200 sundew species exist worldwide. They are the most widespread carnivorous plant on Earth, and every single drop is a trap. Coming in at number 9, Venus flytrap. It counts, it waits, then it strikes. The Venus flytrap doesn't just snap shut randomly. It requires 2 trigger hairs touched within 20 seconds. This prevents wasting energy on raindrops or debris. A real prey item triggers the count, and the trap slams shut in under 1/10 of a second. Native only to a 100-mile radius in North Carolina, one of the rarest habitats on Earth, and yet it became the most famous carnivorous plant in the world.
Coming in at number 8, corkscrew plant. It has no trap you can see. The trap is underground. Genlesia, the corkscrew plant, uses underground Y-shaped tubes lined with backward-pointing hairs. Microscopic organisms swim in through the entrance and cannot swim back out. The hairs force prey in one direction only, deeper into the digestive chamber. No escape, ever. It also holds the record for the smallest genome of any flowering plant. Evolutionary perfection, packed into almost nothing. Coming in at number 7, Nepenthes rajah. This plant has been found with a drowned rat inside it. That is not an exaggeration. Nepenthes rajah is the largest carnivorous plant on Earth by pitcher volume. Its traps hold up to 3.5 liters of digestive fluid. Insects, spiders, lizards, frogs, all confirmed prey. Researchers have documented small vertebrates fully submerged inside. It grows only on Mount Kinabalu in Borneo, at elevations above 1,500 meters, a giant hidden in the clouds, waiting. Coming in at number 6, waterwheel plant. It is the only aquatic snaptrap plant on Earth. The waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa, floats beneath the water surface, its tiny jaw-like traps snapping shut on aquatic invertebrates in a fraction of a second. Like an underwater Venus flytrap, but faster. It has no roots. It drifts, it hunts, it survives. Once widespread across 4 continents, it is now critically endangered. One of the rarest plants alive, and almost nobody knows it exists. Coming in at number 5, cobra lily. It tricks insects with fake exits. None of them work. The cobra lily, Darlingtonia californica, looks exactly like a rearing cobra. Its hooded chamber floods with translucent false windows. Trapped insects fly toward the light, thinking it's the exit. They slam into the hood again and again until exhaustion kills them. Then, digestion begins. It grows only in cold mountain streams in California and Oregon. It cannot even produce its own digestive enzymes. It relies on bacteria to break down its prey. Cold, patient, lethal. Coming in at number 4, bladderwort. It creates a vacuum. Then it fires in 0.02 of a second. The bladderwort utricularia sets the fastest trap in the entire plant kingdom. Its hollow bladders maintain negative pressure inside. When a tiny hair is triggered, the bladder explodes open, sucking prey inside at 600 times the force of gravity. The door reseals, digestion begins. The whole event takes 0.02 seconds. Over 230 bladderwort species exist. They grow on every continent except Antarctica. The most lethal plant trap ever evolved. Coming in at number 3, tropical pitcher plant, Nepenthes lowii. It doesn't just eat insects, it has evolved a deal with mammals. Nepenthes lowii offers tree shrews sweet nectar on its lid. The shrew eats and defecates directly into the pitcher below. The plant digests the droppings as fertilizer. Both parties benefit. But if the shrew slips, it joins the digestion too. This plant didn't just evolve a trap, it evolved a relationship, a biological contract written over millions of years between a pitcher and a shrew in the rainforest of Borneo. Coming in at number 2, Nepenthes rajah's cousin, Nepenthes X trusmadiensis. Researchers found bird remains inside its pitcher. Full, decomposed, confirmed. Nepenthes X trusmadiensis, a rare natural hybrid from Mount Trusmadi in Borneo, produces pitchers large enough to trap small birds and rodents. The digestive fluid is potent. Evidence of vertebrate remains has been documented by field researchers. This is not a plant that evolved to catch flies. This is a plant that evolved to catch anything that falls. It exists in one mountain range on Earth, nowhere else. Coming in at number 1, Triantha occidentalis. It was hiding in plain sight. Scientists missed it for over a century. Triantha occidentalis, a bog plant from the Pacific Northwest, was only confirmed carnivorous in 2021. It doesn't have pitchers, snaps, or sticky tentacles. It catches insects on its flower stem, using sticky hairs right next to its own blooms. Scientists were stunned. A plant that traps prey on its reproductive structure without harming its own pollinators. It rewrote the rules of carnivorous plant evolution overnight. It proved that unknown carnivores may still be hiding among plants we've studied for centuries. The world's most surprising carnivore was in a flower patch all along. Triantha, hiding in a flower meadow, undiscovered for 100 years. These plants didn't evolve to be beautiful, they evolved to survive, to hunt, to digest, to outlast. And the most extraordinary truth of all, we may not have found them all yet. The next carnivorous plant could be growing in a bog near you. Hit subscribe and drop a comment. Which one shocked you most? We'll see you in the next countdown.